All right, stepping aboard the boat. You'll see all the upholstery is in great condition. Guys, this boat is practically brand new. No rips, no tears in any of the seats, no mold. Great condition, guys. Taking a look at the Connect display. We will double check the hours, right at 22.6 hours. Nice helm, stereo, additional remote on the transom again. It's a nice cell phone holder. Nice plug for your cell phone. Nice boat, great shape, guys. For more information, please give me a call at 864-350-0145 or give our Greenville MarineMax location a call. Guys, this boat is stored off-site, so it is not here at our location, but I can schedule an appointment to show it to you. Thank you for looking and have a great day.